These days, in China's largest desert freshwater lake, Hongjiannao, Larus Relictus, the first-class protected bird, stroll fly on the water, enjoying the joy of springtime. Hongjiannao is the world's largest breeding ground for Larus Relictus. The first batch of Larus Relictus arrived here this year with nearly 2,000. In late April, they will enter the breeding season one after another. The egg laying and hatching will begin in early May. The number of Larus Relictus will reach its peak in June. In addition to Larus Relictus, ecological, common goldeneye, and other waterfowl have also come to Hongjiannao, bringing infinite vitality to this wetland.
目前红箭岛的水量在稳定增加，由2015年的31平方公里增加到37平方公里，水质在持续改善。
In recent years, with the strengthening of protection efforts, the forest and grass coverage rate in Hongjiannao Reserve has increased from 20% to 45%. Every year, more than 30,000 migratory birds come here to roost and breed. The number of bird species reached 195.